Apple might have launched a new iPhone this month, but it wasn't quite the Apple handset everyone's waiting for. That's obviously the iPhone Fold. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has a great track record with Apple rumors, and his latest concerns the interface for the iPhone Fold. He claims that there will be special capabilities baked into a future version of iOS, which will be dedicated to the foldables only, enabling you to run two apps side by side on the inner display, as you can on the iPad. The folding phone won't have the same windowing option as iPad does now with iPadOS 27, nor will it support iPad apps. However, it will apparently have iPad-like layouts. Gurman said that Apple is developing new iOS app layouts and revamping its core iPhone programs to add sidebars along the left edge of the screen. Similar to many of its iPad apps, developers will also be able to adapt their iPhone software for the new interface, which will use proportions similar to an iPad in landscape mode. Talking about the iPhone Fold in general, Gurman said that it's Apple's long-awaited entry into the category and will feature an interior foldable display roughly the size of an iPad mini. Plus, there will also be an external screen that's about the size of the display on a small phone. To get a better concept, Bob Oba has used rumors to create a video of what the iPhone Fold could look like. If it even looks half as good as Oba's renders, we can see the device being very popular. But keep in mind, nothing is official for now, and we're still several months out from a possible announcement. But suspense is now building up, and we suspect more information like this will continue to trickle through in the coming months. So keep following GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.